Light and sound are co-equal. The same does not change, but the hourglass trills when song's words pour through shivers and chills into ears they estrange. Down a flume in a corridor thought to be rainforest lush, where the hills' rich flush in a quick earthen rush spills to a sibilant river, smooths a rock ledge in its sharp drop down to the rapid's steep gorge, where a waterfall drowns in its lingering mist, in its aerated cool that is hovering over a mesmerized pool that is stuck in forever, though its deep eddies spin and unwind from a spool as a striated lumen, a fire in the oxygen, liquid that flows into sound. Here the bright songbirds become as the words that enter a hidden surround, where a hummingbird hums and a sweetened light comes as another world's chorus begins to percuss and sings to a butterfly orchid. Katie did, Katie did, Katie did. Here steep slopes are a sluice that channel the night to a just earthly dawn that drains the spent moonlight, becomes the diffuse that stardust scatters its ashes on to make the light look like a mist or smoke or a vision that spoke. A whirring sound rises of a sun-shafted wheel that glistens and spins as the light time reveals just now hasn't been. And in that, this revelation, song was not born of Homer, and still it is here. It came from no other to be quicksilver clear. It is not what it was, nor is more than it is. It is not what it will be. It is not born of want. It is absent of that. It is an uncertain necessity. There lives in a truth at rest in a hollow, a query of faith. What happens when shadow abandons its body? Does it return as an energy that gathers in numinous voice to resound in us, absent of choice? This is far out of the mind, said the word to the wind. If light makes its music inside the head, then the unsaid is divined as it intuits the ictic rhythms of rapture's language that measures wavelengths and pleasures and reveals in the mystic that quiet, quite quiet, is silent, is utterly silent. The silence of light is electric, but still can be heard in a commingled message. The sound of the word as it lifts from its image makes waves in the light that mirrors the other, the same shape and height as any word uttered. Sound and light are co-equal. Waves in the inner ear picture a parallel decibel. Sound drops down tier by tier. Plane after plane it remains in layered ethereal strains. Body imparts the invisible with music, light, and mass to inform the intangible, heard in an imperfect silence when nothing alike is around. Light makes a clarion sound.